Welcome to Level A2 here on Dominion English Plus with Sergei from Canada. Today I'm going to explain how to work with this level step by step and how you can use artificial intelligence, for example ChatGPT, to get maximum results in minimum time. It doesn't matter if you are learning English for travel, work, or just yourself. The most important thing is that now you have a clear and proven system to help you stay organized and motivated for success. How does Level A2 work? This course is divided into episodes. I call them episodes because it's like a TV series you can watch again and again, but while you watch, you're also mastering English. Each episode has several 20-minute training videos. For every episode, you also get a free printout with detailed grammar explanations, vocabulary, and exercises with answer keys for self-check. One training video is designed for 1 day of study. Your task is to move through the episodes step by step in order. Each training video is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, you simply repeat English sentences and phrases after the speaker. You try to imitate pronunciation and intonation and also memorize new words. This way you practice listening, speaking, and vocabulary at the same time. Repeat loudly and clearly. It's best to do this when no one is around, so you don't feel stressed or afraid of making mistakes. Reducing stress is very important for learning effectively. In the second part, we switch to active practice. You will start building sentences yourself in English, saying them out loud. You'll complete tasks like making sentences from the given words, filling in missing words, or changing sentences. This is the most effective way to learn. First you listen, get used to the pronunciation, and meet new words. And then you actively reproduce them in speaking and writing. How can you prepare for each lesson? Before watching a training video, follow these 3 simple steps. First, read the printout that comes with each episode. It has grammar, vocabulary, and exercises with answer keys. The materials are completely free, but when downloading, you can choose to leave a donation of any amount, and I will be very thankful for that. If you don't want to donate, that's fine, just enter 0 and you'll still get the materials. Prepare a notebook for writing. Write down new words and repeat them several times. Also, during later viewings, it's a great idea to write down the English phrases you hear. This way you also practice writing. Now, a very important question. What to do if something is unclear? When working with the video, you may come across a sentence that's hard to understand or grammar that isn't clear. In that case, use a simple template for ChatGPT or any similar tool. Open ChatGPT and type. The great part is that you can type and get answers in your native language. For example, you can type, "Explain this sentence," then insert the difficult sentence. Then add instructions like, "Give me the full translation," "Explain the grammar and why these forms are used," "Explain the meaning of each word and phrase," "Give me 2-3 similar examples." Or you can simply type, "Explain this sentence," and then insert the sentence that you want to get explanations about. Then read the explanations. And if you still have questions, ask for clarification. This creates the effect of having a personal teacher always beside you. The big advantage is that you'll only ask about what you don't understand, no wasted time. Also, do not forget to write your questions in the comments under the videos. I'll try to answer them too. As we all know, practice makes it perfect. And practice requires repetition. It's very important not just to watch a video once, but to go through it several times. Here's the best plan for reviewing episodes. When you review the first part, where you repeat after the speaker, while the sentence is played several times, try to write it down without looking at the screen. When you hear it the last time, check yourself on the screen. And if you need more time, pause the video. Now, the second part, where you do exercises. On the second viewing, do all exercises in writing. Pause the video whenever necessary. And finally, to lock everything in, go through the video again 3 days later. Since each episode usually has 3 videos, the system can look like this. You study 3 videos in 3 days. Then after the 3rd day, you go back to the first, then the second, and the third again. This way, one episode takes about 6 days, leaving you 1 free day per week. Now you know how to work with the A2 course on the Minion English Plus. The most important thing is regularity. Just 20 minutes a day can completely transform your English in just a couple of months. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and to improve. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and move on to the first episode. All the printouts with exercises and answers can be found in the link in the description to each video. So let's begin the journey to confident English at level A2. You can do it! And I will see you later on the Minion English Plus with Sergei from Canada.